Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to share with you about a Ginseng protocol. Basically, it is a dedicated blockchain that is optimized specifically for DEFI and NFTs. Here, DEFI and NFTs means decentralized finance and non-fungible token. Ginseng provides unparalleled high transaction throughput, reduced risk of error, and intelligent feature development specifically for the fulfillment of financial services for both fungible token and non-fungible token on the blockchain. Here you can see two options, get start and GitHub start. And if we click the get start option, then we can see the light paper of Ginseng protocol. And if we click GitHub start, then we will see the GitHub page of Ginseng protocol, and we can see that it is verified. Then if we go back to the Ginseng protocol website, then we can see the feature of Ginseng, and that is basically scalable high throughput blockchain. It is proof of stake blockchain built using the Cosmos SDK, which runs on the top of Tendermint's core consensus engine built for the EFI and NFTs. With built-in core dev for the EFI and NFTs, Ginseng is ready for the EFI and NFTs ecosystem from start. Then cross-chain. Ginseng support cross-chain with bridge solution between Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, and more. Then support smart contracts. Ginseng support smart contract enabled by EVM technology. The mission of Ginseng is to give people seamless access to decentralized finance with special non-fungible tokens. And only for that purpose, we are introducing Ginseng, a dedicated blockchain specifically for decentralized finance with a special of non-fungible token. Ginseng approaches decentralized finance as a specific and critical segment of the blockchain community. Ginseng is a dedicated blockchain that is optimizing specifically for DEFI and NFT applications. Ginseng does contain all core DEFI applications built in the core of the chain, not written by small contracts like swap, lending, and insurance deep. Ginseng also contains all applications support for NFTs like minting, auction, and trading. The most interesting part is Ginseng gives some solution to resolve their problems, like scalable high throughput blockchain with Tendermint power and decentralized price oracle building, and non-fungible token application like mint, auction, and rent NFTs. Recently, they launched their IDO first on YOLO Road and also announced a strategic partnership with Crypto Revolution. This is a global cryptocurrency community with a mission to improve the investing prospects of its members. Ginseng has two types of solution to allow token transfer across exist public blockchain, and that is bridge solution and ICV solution. And bridge solution has two ways to connect between Ginseng and Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, and more chain with Ginbridge module. Besides, ICV solution has also two ways to connect between Ginseng and Cosmos family blockchain using inter-blockchain community protocols. As we can see, Josie Steen is the founder of Ginseng, and CryptoFirst Chain is the business development manager, and Kawasaki Takao is the tech lead of Ginseng community. And they have attached some frequently questions to their website. If you want to know more about Ginseng, you can read the light paper and visit their website, that is www.ginseng.co. So this is our today's video. Thank you everyone.